Hi everyone, I'm just going to explain the answers here. So you have gravity working downwards, you have the normal force, which is the same length working upwards, so it is the same strength. In this case, normal force, in my drawing, it is at 90 degrees to the slope, but you can also just draw it straight up. However, later on, you'll be learning that later on being year 11, year 12 if you continue on in physics, the normal force is perpendicular, or 90 degrees, to the slope, which you can kind of see here. And so the momentum, or the movement, which is just propelling that ball forward, is the strongest force here, and then air resistance is the weakest force here, and it is working against the momentum. And so here is our second example, person walking along. Gravity is as strong as the normal force, and this is working once again on the person. Then we have the applied force, which is the force from the person walking, so it's from their muscles, it's from them moving to walk. You just need to say it's an applied force or the thrust. Either of those answers will work, or for force from person walking if you don't remember either of those names. Those names will probably give you better marks. Usually in science, we give extra marks if you use keywords like applied force or thrust or normal force or air resistance. Those are all words that might give you extra marks if you use them in the right place. And so the final force here is air resistance. It is smaller than the applied force, and it is working against the applied force because the person's walking forward through the air. And as he's doing that, he's hitting air particles which are trying to push him back. And finally, here we have the kite. This one was a little bit more difficult. I included it to be a little bit tricky. So we have the tension force from the string, holding it up, like that. We have gravity, which is trying to pull it down. We have lift, which is trying to pull it up, though lift is bigger than gravity. And we also have the air resistance trying to pull it back. Now lift is important. Lift is what works on paper airplanes as well, and it just works to, or even normal planes, it just works, it's a force that lifts them up. However, they do combine to make wind pressure, which as you can see here is sort of in the middle of forces 4 and 3, the lift and the air resistance. And I did give you full marks if you put that one in instead. But I hope that helps. So we have tension force, we have gravity, and then we have the lift and air resistance combining to make the wind pressure.